Hey guys, welcome back to Jeep BoBeep. We have got a new winch in that I've been needing to get on Nora here. Here it is, the Apex 12,000 pound Badlands winch. I'm gonna show you how I installed it on this cheap but nice looking bumper. Let's get started. All right, I got the winch in, the Badlands 12,000 pound winch. I really like the way this thing looks, and I think it's going to fit well on my Jeep. I've done my research on this winch through other YouTube videos, through reviews, and I believe one of the best reviews I saw was by Muddy Beard's 4x4 YouTube channel, where he went through it for over a year, using it constantly in some hard pulls, and he had nothing but good things to say about it. I'll link to that video down in the description. Today we're going to unbox this, and we're going to get this mounted on the Jeep. The bumper that's on that Jeep that I showed you is very thin steel. It's more for cosmetic looks and should not be trusted to hold a winch this size, especially if you're actually going to use it, not just drive around with it on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to beef that up a little bit, and what I've done is made two plates that will bolt to the frame. I've made a template of where the bolt holes need to be according to the front edge of the frame, mark those out, drill out 2 holes for the bolts, and I've made 2 of those plates, 1 for each side, which I'll bolt on. And then I made a center plate where the actual winch is going to bolt to, and I'm going to weld this onto those plates once I bolt them onto the frame to get them perfectly positioned. Then we'll drill these holes out and get this winch mounted. All right, I got this thing unboxed and I'm taking a look at it, and I love the way this thing looks. One of the best features I do like about this, if you have limited space, is you can remove this part and relocate it. It also comes with an extremely strong, beefy tow hook here. Nice fair lead. One of the biggest things that I like about this winch that drew me to it was the wireless remote with a magnet on the back that I can secure it on the frame, on the body, or use it from inside the vehicle without having to get out if I'm in a precarious situation where I need to hold my foot on the brake. Comes with all the cables, all the bolts, everything you need to install it. The other thing that I really like about this winch is that it is literally about 1/3 of the price of the higher end winches out there, like Warren and some of the other higher end options. But all the reviews I've seen on it is it holds up just fine and is very, very robust and does a great job. I'm looking forward to having it on my Jeep. All right, let's get this thing installed. Alright, it's time to install this winch on the bumper. I had to come in and loosen the bumper back up a little bit to be able to get these back bolts in because they were hitting the cross member. Now that I've got those in there, I'll bring the winch in and set it down and get those bolts started. Alright, we've got the winch mounted, ready to go. I've got it all wired up. I did not put the disconnect switch on there that came with it. From everything I've read about it, it doesn't drain the battery, and I guess if it does, we'll add it back in. So I've got the remote here. It's wireless, or you can plug it up, which plugs it over in the side. It's simply all you have to do is hold down the mode button for 3 seconds, and it will connect it, and then it'll work.